Hello, seventh graders. Welcome to Workin' Wednesday. This is week 4. This is your first Schoology homework for the week. If you need help in the textbook, we're on page 292 to 296. So this isn't a video lesson. This is instructions how to do your assignment. And at the very end, I will read the text to you. Just a reminder that all work must be submitted on Schoology. If you have issues on Schoology, tell me and we can either do it through email or text. So your assignment is to make a fossil fuel pro-con list. Through the last 2 lessons, I've been making pro-con lists, so now it's your turn. I'd like this to be on a blank or lined paper, or honestly, whatever you guys have in the house. The point is I want it on a separate sheet of paper, one that you can take a picture of, and one that I can hopefully read. So if it's blue or pink or purple, it's fine. You must include 3 pros and 3 cons from the text. I'm going to read the text at the end of this lesson. If you don't want to listen to me read it, it's also on Schoology. And below the text in English, I translated it to Spanish. It must be organized in a T-chart. If you don't remember what a T-chart is, it's in the name. It looks like the letter T, and pros will be on one side, cons will be on the other. So I'd really like your T-chart to look just like mine, so that's why I'm showing you. So you're going to read the text, and then the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make this T-chart. You're going to put your name. You are going to label the T-chart fossil fuel, so I know exactly what I'm looking at. You're going to start off with pro because we want to be positive, and then you're going to choose 1, 2, 3 positives or benefits of fossil fuels from the text. So something that is good about fossil fuels from the text. Then on the other side, you're going to choose con. And I need 1, 2, 3 cons, so something that's negative or harmful or bad about fossil fuels from the text. And again, it should look just like this, and it needs to be in a T-chart. All right, so let's just review what you have to do or the requirements. You need it organized in a T-chart, not a list, not an essay, not a paragraph. You need 3 pros and 3 cons. If you want to do more, that's more than fine, but 3 for each is the minimum, so it can't be less than 3 pros. You can't have just 2 cons. You need to take a picture of your work. If you do that, you will be perfect, and just make sure that it gets submitted on Schoology or somehow submitted to me, and you need to tell me if you're going to do it another way, please. All right, here is the text. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are the remains of organisms from many years ago that have been transformed, changed, into a new material we can use for energy. Examples of fossil fuels include coal, petroleum, oil, and natural gas. Fossil fuels give us with electricity, heat, and transportation. Many products, like plastics and shampoo, are made from fossil fuels. Natural gas isn't very expensive to use, so a lot of countries depend on it to run their businesses. Unfortunately, fossil fuels pollute our air, water, and land. Burning fossil fuels releases gases such as carbon dioxide and methane. These gases warm up the planet and contribute to global warming. Fossil fuels are also non-renewable resources, which means that once they are gone, we cannot make any more in our lifetime.